Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into this video. So for today's video, Madam Glam sent me over some gel polishes to use and try for you guys. I'm going to show you the colors, swatch them, and also do a set. Just by looking at the bottles, these are super pretty. I can't wait to use them. And these gel polishes are also vegan, 100% cruelty free, and non-free formula. Non-free formula just means that the gel polishes are formulated without any of these big words here. I'm not even going to try to pronounce these, but basically it just means that it is safe to use. And they also sent me a base and top coat. So these here are all the gel polishes. I have 5 different ones. I'm going to show you individually and also swatch them. First color here is called the Manhattan. I'm not sure if that's actually the name of it because it doesn't have a name underneath like the other ones, but it does show you on the top how it looks, and then here is the consistency. Since this one is a glitter, it is sheer, but this is how it looks. It's super pretty. Then the next color we have is this soft pink color, and this is called Rosy Nude, and this is one of my favorites from the 5. So the next color we have is this purple color, this very soft purple, and this one is also pretty. This is called Vanilla Sky, and this one is also one of my favorites. The next color is this matte green color. This one is also very pretty, and this one is called Early Bird. Then next we have this, it's almost like a matte greenish, but it's more on the bluer side. This one is called Honeydew. So once I swatch all of these, I just cured them for 60 seconds in the nail light, and the coverage of these are very good. But for the glitter one, I'm going to add another layer just because I wanted to see how it looks with 2 coats, and it does look a little bit better just depending on what you're going for. And this is how it looks. Super pretty. I love these. And I didn't want to leave out the top coat, so I added the top coat just to see how it worked. So I'm just going to add the top coat to all of these colors very quickly, and then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. So after being cured, this is how they look. It's very shiny, but I noticed when I rub my finger over them, it leaves like a tacky layer. I wasn't too excited about that, but what I did was I just took some alcohol on a paper towel and just went over the nail and wiped it off, and it doesn't take away from the shine, and it doesn't leave a tacky layer anymore. So if you do rub these off, you're good to go. Although I do feel like if the top coat was a non-wipe top coat, it would be so much better, and also save time when you're finished with your nails. And I do have a discount code with them. They gave me a 30% off discount code for you guys. So if you are interested, make sure to use key30 and it will save you 30% off at checkout. And these are the two colors I decided to use for today. So I'm starting off with applying my full cover nails that I get from AliExpress. To apply these, I'm just using the Après do method. I'm just adding some base coat to my nail, and then also adding some inside the nail tip, starting at the cuticle like so, and pressing it down towards the tip of the nail and then curing it in the light. And I'm just going to repeat that over all the nails. I'm not going to show all of them because I do a lot of these videos, so I'm not going to like keep putting all 5 in. If you are interested in watching the other 5 nails, I do have plenty of videos. Once I repeated that over all the nails, I put them back in the light for about 60 seconds just to make sure that they are fully cured. And then next I'm going to go in with my hand file just to make these nails look a little bit more natural. I'm going to file around the cuticle area, and I did speed this up a little bit so it looks like I'm doing it rough. But I promise you guys, I am not rough. I'm doing it so gently. And then I also go and file the free edge of these nails to clean up that shape. Once I repeated that over all the nails and wiped off the dust with some rubbing alcohol, I'm going to go in with my first color. The first color I'm using is called Honeydew, and I'm going to be applying these to my pinky and index finger. I really do recommend these gel polishes. They go on super good. You get no air bubbles. The coverage is super great. They're safe to use, and plus you also get 30% off if you use key30 at checkout. So basically it's a win-win situation. So I really do recommend these, and if you are interested, go on their website, look at some colors, and use my discount code. So these are how they look once I finish applying them, and before I put them in the light, I'm going to cure and move on to this next color. So I'm going to be applying this glitter color over the rest of my nails, and this color is more on the sheer side, so I will go in and add another layer once I cure these. And what I do love about these is that the gel polishes aren't thick, so if you do eventually have to use 2 coats, your nail won't get thick from adding layers and layers. And I do make sure that I wipe off the sides of my nails before I cure, because I don't want this to cure to my skin. And then I'm going to go in with the second coat of this glitter and also cure for 60 seconds. And then after being cured, this is what the nails are looking like. And honestly, I love these just like this, but I wanted to take it a step further and go with some hearts. And I was looking at these heart colors. This was the only one that like matched the closest to this nail color, so I went with these teal color heart. I'm going to be applying some of the top coat on the glitter nails and putting on some of these hearts in random spots all over the nails. And then once I get the placement how I want, I'm going to cure and repeat that over the ring and thumb. after my hearts were done, I wanted to add some rhinestones. I'm not going to do like a blingy look. I just wanted to add a touch of the rhinestones. So I put some top coat on the tip of the nail, and I'm going to be putting 3 little rhinestones in a line like right down the tip like so, and then I'm going to cure once I get the placement and repeat this on the pinky as well. And I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial so far in this video. So if you are, make sure that you give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. But the next step I'm going to do is add some top coat to all of the nails, and then I'm going to cure in the nail light for 60 seconds. And then I did have to wipe this off because like earlier, as you've seen, it does leave a sticky layer. So I did have to wipe this off before going in with my cuticle oil. And once I finish rubbing in that cuticle oil to get my cuticles all nourished, these are how the nails are looking. I love the way these turn out. The hearts just like add so much to these nails. It brings the whole set together. I am really loving this color. The color is super pretty. Comment down below what you guys think of this nail set, if you would do these. If you do recreate these, I would love to see it. So tag me. I will leave my Instagram down below. And I do love the touch of the rhinestones that I placed on them. It is super pretty. And don't forget, if you do want some of these gel polishes, make sure to use my discount code KEY30, which will save you 30% off your entire order. And as always, if you have made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.